Last video we created a registration page as we can see here, and today we'll be creating an login page for the same database. So I'll just add some values over here. I'll add my Gmail account, username, and a password, name, password. Click on sign up. We forgot to remove this from the code, but that's fine. It says successful. We'll just verify it on the database and we close this. Um, so yeah, we have the email password. So now we'll create the login page. So firstly, we have the HTML. So we have the HTML done before, and it's just form, its action where the page is going to heading, and the method which is post. And these are the inputs. So you gotta remember the ID of the inputs. So this is how we'll be knowing the values of the inputs. And this is the button name. This is the important thing. When you press that button, if this button is pressed, then your values are sent to the next page. Till we'll just keep this value copied. We'll close this page. Now we are on to do this PHP. So we know how this creates the connection. So we're not gonna discuss it about it again. And this is just login button. We'll add it here for a reference. And now let's begin. So if bracket I ISSED yeah we are dollar underscore post, then we add this value over here. Add this value over here. We have two closing brackets, then we open the if condition. So dollar login underscore username is equals to dollar underscore post $post and dollar login underscore password is equals to dollar underscore post and the same thing. We forgot the semicolon. I'll just see what's the ID. So the ID is username. I'll add it here. Then the ID is password. Yeah, there. So I'll just echo the value for now. Echo dollar login underscore username. Echo dot. This is just for checking if the code of this post is working or not. Then we click save. Then we ready to login, and here we are. So the username was the Alexa and the password was password. So we can see the values are displaying here, which is my username Dipit Gulecha and the password is down there, you can see. So now let's begin to the main stuff. Let's remove this, and now let's include the table. So our dollar login under SQL. So this is the SQL query is equals to select username comma password from the table name, which is login, where you can just see that the table name here is login. So I think we'll have to do it like this, where username is equals to login username and password is equals to login underscore password, and then we are done. So we've written the SQL for this, and we just verify if it's username and password. Yeah, it's both in caps and it's username and password. So now we'll need to get the result. We need to verify if this is true. We need to like convert or make this query run. So MySQL underscore query um dollar connect. So this is the connect the database, and we are connecting it to our $SQL. Now we go down. Now we have gotten this. We have done that. We have fetched these values which are over there. So now how do we verify it? So as we have added primary key to our username, so which means there can only be one username for what username. So for every username, if we search, there's gonna be returning only one value. So if the username and the password is resulting to only one row, that means that the password is correct. So we're gonna write this: if MySQLi underscore number of rows. So if the number of rows of this of dollar result is equals to 1, double is equals to verify is equals to 1, then we add that echo. We'll echo that you have logged in successfully. Success, congrats, enjoy. Ha, you just add this emoticon, else. Oh, oops, no. So, yeah, so currently that's it. Now we'll just verify if this all is going right or not. So now we go to the login page. We go to login.html, and uh, yeah. So and then we write our password, which is password undefined variable on line 19. Undefined variable on line 19. Oh, it's dollar login SQL. So this just broke everything out here. You can see that PHP is very sensitive. If you make one mistake, yeah, the guy is just not gonna handle it. Yeah, they've already used mistake. Yeah, success, congrats, enjoy. So we have gotten the success. Now, but we still got to do something. So for example, I want to use these variables throughout the session. So I mean, I don't want this guy logging in every time he comes right here. So I'll create a session username, and the dollar session username is equals to login username. So what this does is I can access this username in my every page in my session. So if there's a guy who logs in into my website. So if he visits 10 page in my website, I still have his username in all the pages. So I'll know that it's him. So let's just game, and now we add a false value. So false login. Oops. So this is working. You can check it out, and I've poured incorrect, and it results in oops. So thank you for watching. We are done here. You can know how you can log in into using PHP. And remember, use the same table because you register in this table and then you get values from this table. Thanks for watching. Bye. Um, cancel.